Hey, so I wanted to do a really quick video on some stuff I've been working with the PyPortal. So I'm doing some kind of user interface stuff, and you can see I've got some button press stuff. This is partly from my previous tutorial that I did, but I've got a few things like the ability to hide a button. I'm still working on some of that stuff. But the thing that I really wanted to show off is how to change the orientation of the PyPortal. So what you can do, I'm using CircuitPython 5 on this PyPortal, which does give me the ability to rotate the display for that. So this is my code. Basically what I can do is I can just go down here to display rotation, and I'm going to change that to 270 degrees, and I'm going to hit save, and then you'll see it's going to change the orientation here on the PyPortal. So it is rendering that same thing on there. It's just turned 90 degrees, so now it's in vertical format. The problem is that while it does the images, it does not do the button hotspots. So you can see the button hotspots are still arranged on the touch screen like it was in that original format, which is the 0 degrees or default rotation for the display. I did fix that. So in order to fix that, what I did was I created this function right here, which recalculates the coordinates for the touch on the touch screen in order to match it to whatever you set the screen orientation to. So it is actually pulling the screen size from when you set up the touch screen, and it's pulling the rotation from display rotation right here. And really the way that I fix it, the only difference that I have to do other than having that function is right here where I'm reading the touch, which gets passed to seeing if the touch is within the button boundaries, is typically with the examples you're going to use this ts.touchPoint. This gives you the coordinates of the touch, of where the touch was on the touch screen. So that's what you'd normally use. What I'm going to do is I'm going to delete that, and then I'm going to uncomment this new thing which uses my touch rotate function instead of the other one that comes with touchscreen. So by doing that, I'm going to now hit save, and it is going to reload that, and you'll see now the buttons are mapped correctly. And you can see it even gives the remapped coordinates over there. So what I like about this that makes it super easy, and the reason I made it a function, is because if I want to now change the orientation, all I have to do is go back up here to the top, and let's say I want to do a 90 degree, whoop, not 900, 90 degree, and then save. And now it automatically figures out and rotates the screen along with the orientation of our touch matrix. So that solves the problem. It's not, I don't think it's going to be anything that could be included in version 5 of CircuitPython. It is in beta though, so I don't know, maybe. I did submit something to GitHub, but that was my solution for fixing this problem. So now you can truly rotate the screen on the PyPortal to whatever orientation you have, and the buttons will map correctly, and it's just that one function that you have to include in your code. All right, thanks for watching.